bouncy melody. A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball that we bounce and we spread. C is for cat with her soft little purr. D is for dog with his tail in a blur. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, learning's fun you'll see. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for glitter that sparkles so bright. H is for hippo who snores through the night. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, learning's fun you'll see. I is for ice cream so sweet and so cool. J for jaguar fast on feet. K is for kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty loud cry. I, J, K, L, sing it loud and well. M, N, O, P, we're doing great, can you tell? M is for monkey swinging tree to tree. N is for nest where the birds live so free. O is for orange so juicy and round. P is for penguin waddling on the ground. I, J, K, L, sing it loud and well. M, N, O, P, we're doing great, can't you tell? Q is for queen with her sparkly crown. R is for rabbit who hops up and down. S is for squeal, let's make a loud sound. T is for tiger who prowls all around. Q, R, S, T, sing it happily. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for violin, playing all night. W is for whale in the ocean so wide. X is for xylophone, let's play with pride. Y is for yo-yo that goes up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. A to Z, now we're done. Learning letters is so much fun. A to Z, come and sing with me. The alphabet is easy